Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Fan Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz First Edition. This electrical vehicle comes with a 77 kWh battery pushing out 204 PS. This vehicle comes in a brilliant two-tone colour combination, candy white over bay leaf green. The vehicle features a set of IQ LED Matrix headlamps that feature automatic headlight control as well as a poor weather light. In the front bumper we'll find a set of front parking sensors, and down below the ID Buzz sits on a set of 21-inch Bromberg alloy wheels that come in a silver and black colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle there is a tailgate with a heated rear window along with a set of LED rear lights that come with a dynamic turn signal. Located just above the rear number plate, we'll find the rear view reversing camera paired with a set of rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space of the ID Buzz, a very spacious amount here. There's also a retractable parcel shelf that keeps away any prying eyes. The vehicle also features a USB Type-C on either side in the rear, as well as some ID Buzz Easter eggs in the back. Taking a look at the rear passenger bench, there is a 3-seater passenger bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration, and matching the exterior of the vehicle, it comes finished in a Mistral and jade green colour. The two outermost rear passengers have access to folding tables located behind the driver and the front passenger seat. Up front in the driver's cab we have two singular twin armrest seats. These seats come electronically adjustable as well as having a memory setting and a massage function. Located in the middle of the two front seats we'll find the Buzz box, which comes with a removable ice scraper as well as bottle cap opener. A USB Type-C in the front passenger door, and in the forms of entertainment in the centre of the dash we'll find a 12-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system comes with inbuilt navigation, allowing you to navigate to where you need to be. Along with this, users can access all their favourite radio stations, as well as use the App Connect feature, which allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Once reverse gear has been selected, the rear view camera feed will display on the colour touchscreen, giving you a crystal clear view of what's around you. A set of twin cup holders for the front passenger and driver, which can be folded away. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed heated steering wheel with touch controls. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz First Edition. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.